Hi, this is Alan from Alpus Project Management. I'm going to talk to you today about taming the project beast, that is monitoring and control for success of a project. So we're talking about monitoring and control of planning, quality, management, development, analysis, controlling, plan, system, resources, team, budget, everything that is required for success. There are lots of factors for project success, as we've described before. So projects, much like untamed beasts, can be powerful forces for achieving goals, but without proper monitoring and control, they can veer off course, wreak havoc on budgets and leave stakeholders fuming. Here's how to harness the power of project monitoring and control to ensure your projects consistently roar with success. Firstly, setting the stage for smooth sailing. Proactive project monitoring starts with setting the stage for success. Clearly define your project objectives and identify measurable metrics to track progress. Remember, clear communication is your lifeline. Keep stakeholders informed throughout the project life cycle, fostering transparency and trust. Utilize project management tools to provide real-time access to project data, ensuring everyone is on the same page. Finally, establish feedback loops at every stage, allowing for course correction and continuous improvement. Project tracking, your navigational compass. Effective project tracking empowers you to chart your course, explore different tracking methodologies, such as earned value management method or critical path method, or both. Customize your tracking metrics to reflect the specific needs of your project. Real-time monitoring through project management software allows you to identify potential roadblocks early on. Don't be afraid to raise red flags and adjust your approach as needed. Early intervention is a key to keeping your project on track. The people factor, steering the ship. Project control isn't just about spreadsheets and charts, it's about people. Team alignment and strong communication are essential. Foster a positive team culture where open communication is encouraged. Recognize that human factors can impact project delivery. Develop your leadership skills to effectively manage project controls, motivating your team towards shared goals. Empower team members by encouraging ownership and accountability for their tasks. Ensuring long-term project health. Project success is a marathon, not a sprint. Embrace continuous improvement strategies, constantly seeking ways to refine your project management approach. Learn valuable lessons from past project outcomes, both successes and failures. Remember, project control extends beyond the completion date. Develop a strategy for maintaining control during the post-implementation phase, and be prepared to adapt to changes and an evolving project scope. Finally, schedule retrospective meetings to debrief and document lessons learned, ensuring future projects run smoothly. By following these tips, you can transform project monitoring and control from a burden into a powerful tool for project success. Remember, with clear communication, effective tracking, and a focus on people, you can tame even the most daunting project and guide it towards a triumphant finish. If you'd like to discuss any sort of construction project, then do not hesitate to call Alan on 07539 141257 or 0333 224 1257. That's +44 7539 141257 or +44 333 224 1257 from outside the UK. You can schedule a call with Alan on calendly.com/AlanGE or drop an email to alan@alpusgroup.com. That's all for now. Cheers.